yet.
Sorry to disturb you. You have received a message from Cybertron.
That's so cool. Oh, yeah. System. Maybe I need a new phone, though.
Okay, I got this. Got this, guys. I got this. You can go down straight. What the hell are you doing back there? Oh, what the Jumanji? I can't fly plane. Edel, no. I can't level out the plane, Eek. You have to go through it. Through what? The flippin' Jumanji cinema ball. Goodbye, dear.
So this will be my new ringtone?
Yep. So I'm about to run it.
How cool is that?
Yeah. This is for the bloody
How cool was that?
this is your notification ringtone.
A message.
Oh, I didn't see it.
That's the boring old one. That's the dumb one.
Just smashes it.
Hello, you there? I'm always here. What are we going to do for dinner? You have to speak clearly because I didn't hear a word you said. And you have to wait till I say over, because then I won't miss the conversation. So, what's for dinner? Over? Cereal? Okay, sounds alright. Over. You've got to say over when you're finished talking too, so then I know it's my turn to talk.
No, we've heard this person for reading. No.
Okay.